Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my humble workshop. So, as you've seen from the title, today I'm going to start a new build series. And this whole build series will be around these two guitars over here. Now, before I start talking about this new project, I want to apologize for the lack of content on my behalf. In fact, the last upload that I did was like wait, let me check. Yeah. It was almost like 2 months ago. Yeah, in fact, I do apologize for that. But I was kind of busy with my full-time work mainly. So yeah, I had little time to prepare some valuable content. That's for the intro, and we can start talking and planning these two builds. Okay, so let me start talking about this guitar over here. This is a 7-string guitar. So you can see it has a nice, beautiful walnut top. And this was a guitar that I did in my beginning of my guitar building career. And to be precise, this was the 4th guitar that I built. And to be completely honest, despite the walnut top, premium hardware, premium pickups, this is one of my worst guitar that I ever did. In fact, I'm not a big fan of it. It's been in my possession for many years, and it has all sorts of issues. Aesthetic-wise, the nut has to be done, fretwork is not entirely good. So I've been always contemplating what to do about it, either to put it for sale or keep it in my possession, until recently that I decided to do this build series, but more on that later. Regarding the other guitar, this is a 6-string bolt-on, and this was a guitar that I built in the beginning of my CNC days. In fact, this was the second guitar that I did with my CNC. At that time, I was just experimenting with tool pads and with the CNC. So in order to build something at the time, I decided to do this common guitar. And it came out quite decent, to be honest. Nothing special about this guitar. Mahogany body, natural color, finish in oil, 5-piece laminated neck, pickups from StewMac. It has a Graphtec bridge and Goto tuners, but despite that, nothing fancy about it. And like this guitar, this one, well, actually after this guitar, this will be the least other guitar that I like. As I said, this was an experiment at the time. It is very common, nothing fancy about it, and especially the logo. As you can see, there's a nasty. At the time, I was experimenting with some resin mixed with some dye, and this is the logo that there is on this guitar, which I completely hate about. Now, what's the plan for these two guitars? Let me start with this one. So, what I have in mind for this guitar is to remove all the hardware and pickups and start to refinish the whole body. The body is all full of scratches, dents, so yeah, it needs some TLC, as we say. But it's not going to have just some TLC. As I said, I'm going to remove all the hardware and electronics and refinish the whole body. Now, I've seen a guitar with a mahogany body finished in a black matte finish, which was exquisite. So that will be the finish that I want to do on this particular guitar. I was thinking to add some contours along the edges, here, here, and here, but we'll see when the time comes. Regarding the neck, I'm going to change, obviously, that bloody logo, but I'm just going to sand it down and refinish with some lacquer. Nothing fancy about that. Regarding the 7th string, well, this is a completely different story. This has quite some issues. At that time, I wasn't much experienced guitar builder as today, so yeah, it has some issues. And to be honest, to recover from these issues, it will take a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of work, and it's not really worth it. So what I'm going to do, again, I'm going to remove all the hardware, all the electronics, and redo a completely different guitar. Now the plan is to do a lullaby body shape, which is one of our production series, one of our unique production series, I must say. And it will be another lullaby 7th-string from this particular guitar. And that's the plan. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something from it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I do my best to answer them for you. If you're new to the channel, if you're enjoying what you see, please, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be aware about my future releases. I'll do CNC and guitar building related content. If you like this video, please hit the like button or even share it with your friend. It will give this channel a nice boost. If you want to see more from Manicro Custom Guitars, down below in the description there will be all links to my socials and other means and ways to support my channel. So guys, until the next time, take care and goodbye.